So I know you all have been waiting for this since the time I bought up the teaser video of the Redtiger F17 Elite, the dual Starvis-2 dual HDR triple channel dashcam from Redtiger. So in this video, I'm going to cover a quick unboxing and give you a quick video quality review of the F17 Elite. So if you are someone who was looking forward to purchase this dashcam, you can watch this video and decide if this is the right dashcam for you. But do note that if you do use the link given in the description, you can get a free hardware kit along with the dashcam at a price of about 27,500 rupees. So if you don't want to miss the parking monitoring offer, go ahead and grab this dashcam using the link given in the description below. So let's not waste any more of your time and jump in straight into the unboxing of the F17 Elite. Let's take a look. So here's the Redtiger F17 Elite dashcam. So on the box, they have highlighted some features, and this gets 4K front 1080p cabin with a 2.5K rear camera, with the front and the rear getting HDR support. This also supports Starvis-2 and gets full night color vision. Some other features on the other side of the box: this gets a 3-inch touchscreen, gets voice control, and gets Wi-Fi 6 with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi network. Alright, so straight up in the box, the first thing you get is all the details regarding the camera, highlighting the aspects of its hardware. So you can take a look at this if you're interested. Here's a crazy new packaging by Redtiger. Looks very premium, very smart. Let's quickly jump in and take a look at the main front camera. And first impressions, this is simply stunning. I love this textured finish, matte finish right at the front. You've got this Redtiger branding also prominently shown. And here's the lens module, which is like adjustable, so you can drag it up and down and left and right. Although the mechanism is not very smooth, but once adjusted should be good enough for a long time. At the bottom you get the control buttons along with the power button. On one side you get a memory card slot and a reset slot, and within the memory card slot you get a free memory card right inside it, inserted within the camera. And this is a 128 GB Redtiger branded memory card, customized specially for the F17 Elite. So on the back you get this large display, close to 4 inches display I presume, and you also get the indications regarding what each button corresponds to. You also get a status LED light. This is the cabin camera. Let me just peel off the sticker. And just like the front camera, the cabin camera too is adjustable up and down and left and right, and this is like much more smoother I think compared to the front cam. Now on top you get this rear camera port and the main power port. So both of these ports are now upgraded to Type C. You also get a detachable windshield mount. So this means you can easily peel off the dashcam or remove the dashcam from the windshield whenever you want. On top of the dashcam, here are some ventilation holes, and on one side there's some Redtiger branding given right there. So here's the rear camera, gets a Redtiger branding, gets a very new shape for the camera module. This is a 2.5K resolution camera and also gets the F17 Elite branding. You also get a LED indicator on one side. You have this windshield mount, and this camera is 360-degree rotatable. And here is the Type C port, which plugs in into the main front camera unit via the rear camera power cable. So the rear camera too is like kind of a bit bulkier compared to like most of the other rear cameras out there. So just to show you in comparison, this is the front camera and the rear camera together. The rear camera is kind of looking much smarter and better version of its previous models. And here's the cabin or the interior camera. So here's the F17 Elite user manual. You have this app quickbook, and you also get 3 different electrostatic stickers along with the Redtiger service support card. And as a convenient feature, Redtiger has now started putting out pictorial representations along with the names of the things that are coming inside the box. So here's the main power cable with a pre-attached 12-volt socket, which gets a Redtiger branding, and this also gets a single USB port with a LED indicator. So this gets a straight Type-C connector at one end. Along with that, you also get this wiring installation tool. Following that, this is the rear camera cable for the 2.5K rear camera, which gets 2 straight Type-C connectors. So one plugs in into the rear camera and the other plugs in into the main camera unit. Following that, you get an additional windshield mount for the front camera, which gets a pre-attached sticker. And lastly, you also get a pair of extra stickers, one for the front camera, another for the rear camera. So both are looking great. The design concept, I really like it. looks very premium, looks very polished. So it'll be interesting to see the kind of performance this dashcam will provide during day and night time. So here's a quick sample from the front camera of the Redtiger F17 Elite. So do note that this was shot during late evening, close to around 6 p.m. So the video overall might appear a bit dull because the outside sky and the outside environment itself was quite dull. But overall, looking at the video quality, quite flawless 4K combined with Starvis-2, this is the best possible resolution and the best possible sensor you can get in any dashcam these days, and the Redtiger F17 also doesn't disappoint in the kind of quality it's providing. In terms of brightness and saturation and contrast levels, pretty much natural, no drastic difference or no drastic variation. So you will get top-notch footage from the front camera of the Redtiger F17 Elite. Moving on to the cabin camera, so here's what it looks like. Covers the entire cabin, and of course, as shown previously in the unboxing, the interior camera itself is movable. So if you want to specifically direct the camera towards the driver's side window or the passenger side window, you can do that. Simultaneously, it will cover close to half of both windows, and that should be sufficient for most people, I guess. But the overall quality is again pretty good, 1080p resolution, nothing to complain against this. It's actually looking much better than the previous gen Redtiger F17's interior camera quality. Moving on to the rear camera quality, so this shoots in a 2.5K resolution and still is looking much better, quite comparable to the front camera, not as much but still offering you a better resolution compared to most of the other rear cameras out there. Now again, do note that similar aspect applies. This was shot during late evening, so the outside environment was a bit dull, so the overall video might also appear a bit dull to you. But nevertheless, the field of view of the camera and the rest of the parameters that concern a video, such as the brightness, contrast, saturation, and the rest of the stuff, looks quite natural, looks quite decent and most usable. And of course, in terms of reading number plates too, as you're seeing the Hyundai Creta that's approaching right behind my car, good readability of the number plate even at about 10 to 20 feet away. So this is what you can expect from the Redtiger F17 Elite once you get this dashcam. So my first impressions with the camera have been really good. I personally like the touchscreen of this dashcam, and of course I haven't gone into the detailed technical specifications of the video, and I haven't even shown you the full color video which the camera is actually popular for. So all of those factors, all of those aspects will be covered in the full review, or should I say the full detailed review video of the F17 Elite will be probably dropping soon on my channel. So if you don't want to miss that important video, make sure to hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking forward to get a glimpse of the F17 Elite on Gizmobeep. That being said, if you do have any queries or doubts, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you are interested in purchasing this dashcam with a free hardware kit offer, go ahead and grab it right now using the link given in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.